Hello, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about climate and related terms. If you're new here, this channel is all about sign language, mostly Kenyan sign language. And I am Rachel Nekesa Wangili. Welcome so much. Please remember to like if this video is a good one. Remember to comment and also subscribe to this channel. The first one we are going to sign is climate. So, see hand shape, both hands, then we make circular movement with both of them. So, climate, climate. Weather, we use W hand shape and weather. Same movement as climate, weather. The second sign is weather. Weather. Hot. Hot has two signs. The one that is used for weather is hot. Hot. This is because when it is hot, then we tend to sweat. This is the sign for sweat. So it is used the same way as it is used in hot. So the sign for hot and sign for sweat is the same. The second sign for hot is used mostly when we are talking about food. So, hot, hot. So if you're saying my food is hot, then this is the hot that you will use, hot, and not hot. Cold, cold. This is because when it is cold outside, we tend to shiver. So, cold, cold. Sun, sun, sun. Another sign for sun is, so first you draw a circle, then do the first sign for sun. So, sun. The first one was sun. And the second one is sun. Cloud or clouds. 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 So we use claw hand shapes, both hands, then one facing up, another one facing down, then moving in circular movements. Clouds. Wind. We use W hand shape, then wind. Wind. When we look at trees, when there is a lot of wind, they will be bending this side and this side. So the first sign we will use W hand shape, wind, wind. And the second sign we'll use open palms, wind. Temperature, temperature, temperature. This is an open palm and a T hand shape. So, temperature, temperature. Rain, 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 or rain, rain. Calm, calm, calm. Environment. Environment has three signs. The first sign is environment, same as place. Environment. The The second sign is environment. We use an extended index finger facing up, then E hand shape. It will move in a circular movement around the index finger. Environment. Environment. And the third sign is environment. We use E hand shape facing up, making a circular movement on the side of the body. Environment. Environment. Change. 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 A hand shapes, both hands, then one facing up, another one facing down. But when the sign is finished, then the one facing down will be facing up, and the one facing up will be facing down. So, change. Change. Dry. 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 We use the hand shape. Dry. Wet. 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 Ocean. Ocean. Your hands making waves. Ocean. The same way the ocean has waves. So, ocean. Sea. 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 This is a sign for water. Water. So, sea, water, sea. Stars. Stars. Universe. 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 We make a circle using both hands, but open palms. Universe. World. 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 Same sign as universe. And the second sign is world. We initialize and use W. World. World. Solar system. Solar system. Solar system. S, open palm facing the side, then system. Planet. 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 We make the same shape as universe, but we change the place of articulation. Planet. Planet. Earth. 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 So, the two fingers, the thumb and the index finger, touching the arm at the wrist. Earth. Earth. Moon. Moon. We draw a crescent moon using the thumb and the index finger. Moon. Moon. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if it was good, and comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click, or rather tap on the notification bell in order for you to get all the videos whenever I post. See you in the next video.